I'm at GISEC 2024 in Dubai, and I'm here this afternoon with Steve Higgon, founder and CEO of TAAP. Now, obviously, I know that TAAP use machine-generated technology to build applications. So if you want to explain, what actually does TAAP offer to the region in terms of cybersecurity?
Certainly. So TAAP has been around for 20 years, delivering enterprise-scale applications using a no-code declarative technology. That means applications could be built faster, quicker, at scale. The thing that's been interesting for this show is actually people are excited about the machine-generated aspects of our technology. Yeah. And what this means is where for the last 50 to 70 years people have actually struggled to implement software, we're now in a shift to actually towards now how applications can be machine-generated in seconds, building actually more advanced applications, which then means that actually you've got greater cyber resilience around the applications that are created.
So obviously, if there's potential clients out there, what would TAAP bring that's different to any other app development organisation? So what can TAAP offer?
Of course, yeah. So TAAP actually has three strands to the bow. So we have the actual platform itself, which is cloud-based. So you can basically create a copy of the TAAP technology called TAAP Accelerate. You can create your own instance of this, and then from that you can build your own applications the way that you want, suited to your organisation's need. A lot of this technology obviously is moving forward software development in a way that actually software development teams are sometimes uncomfortable. Mm-hmm. So we actually then help organisations with an adoption strategy for how they can do it themselves. But equally, we're also working with ISVs as well to help them build new products that actually, once they've built them, they can then run for 5, 10 or 20 years.
Yeah. And obviously, when we think about technology and developing something from scratch, sometimes people believe that that's going to take a long period of time to do. Now, I know your technology is very advanced and it can be built quickly. Is that a benefit to organisations?
Yeah, the key point about it is the challenge that's happened previously is the fact that developers have had to be used to do the implementation. With this technology, you're able to then make use of actually other resources in actually the developer environment. So you can make use of business analysts. This basically then means that you can now start to build applications at scale without actually then needing to actually then have people then code the software. So one particular customer we've got at the moment took a design, took them a couple of weeks to come up with the concept of what it was they wanted to do, and the implementation was delivered in 60 seconds. That allowed then actually then the teams to focus on the what, not the how. And that's kind of part of the sort of transitional change that we're seeing, obviously, with ChatGPT and large language models, and actually how people are wanting to embrace this technology for the future.
Yeah, so it's about being fast but also efficient. And a key thing that you mentioned quite a few times there, Steve, was about that you build it so that it fits with the client's needs. You're not giving them something that they have to adapt to. You're actually building it to fit exactly what they're looking for, and that's got to be a plus.
Absolutely. The key point about this technology, you're not being fitted into a box. That's all you can do. The whole point about with this technology, which is hence the reason why the company is called the Agile Application Platform, is that basically it reflects what you need to do, the way that you need it to operate. And the benefit of the speed is the fact that actually you can actually then take an application, give it to the end user and have them use it as part of the specification stage. So now you're not into that situation where it spends months speccing it, designing it, and people losing the interest in actually building an application. You can now actually then do that as part of the actual specification process, which completely changes the way that you can build applications.
Yeah, I love the agile side to your business. That's great. Steve, I really hope you have a successful time here in Dubai, and I wish you all the very best.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Ari.